Okay, I'm trying an experiment here with the Coke, so let's see if it worked. Okay, one of them is already frozen, but this one appears to just be liquid, not frozen. Oh, it worked.
Oh, very cool.
Now it's turned into a slushie. I'll pour it into a cup. Oh, it's still expanding. Now let me see how it tastes. Tastes delicious. So now we know it kind of works. Until next time.